Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error WinRAR is not recognized as an internal or external command in Windows. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Go to your local disk C. Then open the Program Files folder. Inside that folder, find the WinRAR folder. Click on the address bar at the top and copy the full path. Now click on the Windows search bar and type Environment Variables. From the results, click on Edit the System Environment Variables. A new window will open. Go to the Advanced tab at the top. Then click on the button that says Environment Variables. In the next window, look under System Variables. Scroll down until you find the variable called Path. Click on it once, then click Edit. Another window will appear showing a list of paths. Click on New. Paste the WinRAR path that you copied earlier. After pasting it, click OK. Click OK again to close all open windows and save the changes. Now, close Command Prompt if it is open, then open it again and try the WinRAR command. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.